Hello, welcome to the weather forecast for the next 2 days prevailing across Karbi Anglong district. My name is Sarim Tisu and let's see how the weather is like for the next 2 days. In the south of the district around Difu, we see a clear and sunny conditions out there with 60% of possible sunshine with minimum temperatures around 32 degrees Celsius. And if we look into the Bukajan or eastern part of Karbi Anglong around Bukajan, we see a lot of cloudy and windy conditions out there with minimum temperatures around 28 degrees Celsius, so there may be some thunderstorms for the next 2 days. In the western part of Karbi Anglong around Hamrand, Dongkamukam and Baithalangso with minimum temperatures around 28 degrees Celsius with a lot of cloudy and windy conditions out there. And if we see into the Umsuai place, we see a lot of changes from earlier because we normally see rained in the past couple of days, but we are seeing a lot of changes and sunny conditions for the next 2 days with minimum temperatures around 27 degrees Celsius. And let's see some of the statistics for the next 2 days around Difu with minimum temperatures around 32 degrees Celsius, Dongkamukam, Hamrand and Baithalangso with similar as 28 degrees Celsius, and we can expect a lot of showers in the western part of Karbi Anglong, but we will be experiencing a lot of shunnies and clears and sunny conditions around Difu. That's the weather.